Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service. Mike has a problem with a raccoon. Now, we talked about this, and let me pause this for a second to just update you on something else that we talked about. Remember we talked about those doors, those fly kind of doors that go in front of a sliding glass door, patio doors.
The phantom screen doors.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And I mentioned I was going to buy one and try it. Well, I bought one from Amazon. Actually, ended up buying 3. Well, I returned 2 of them. Make sure you measure, and because I measured, but I didn't add extra inch or 2 around the door to be able to put it against the Velcro that comes with it. So that's one part. But I bought this one that was about $60. It is fabulous. It works fabulous.
Great.
If you want to send me an email, folks, and ask me what the brand was, I will tell you. I'm not endorsing this company, but I just think it worked real well. So that was the screen door update. So meanwhile, now we talked about raccoons a couple of weeks ago, and Mike heard the show, and he says a buyer agent was showing him, Mike, a home, saw a raccoon on the roof, and the buyer agent, called the listing agent, who said, yeah, we know about it, and they're not concerned about it. But Mike wonders, after hearing our show, shouldn't the listing agent have taken more action? Because repeat what you said, that they can actually go inside an attic through the roof.
Oh yeah, they'll dig through a roof. I mean, any way in. Yeah, they've been known to do that. So, but if they're getting up on the roof, then they've got an easy access, whether it's a tree that's overhanging it, whether there's something leaning up against it. So the first thing they got to do is take care of those problems to keep the animals out. It's called exclusion work. But I would never want to see a raccoon on anybody's roof, or squirrel for that matter. Squirrels will get in through the gutters and climb up underneath the sections of roof that are open around the gutters too. So yeah, no animals should be up on the roof, and we got to be taking care of those issues.
You don't want to make a raccoon your friend, Cara, right? I mean, Brad will tell you.
No, it's hard for me to say. Now, my mom has friends, and we call it Nana Sanctuary in her backyard, and she's got many little wild ones that will come up, and she'll, leave food for them. But generally speaking, yes, I would agree with you. That's probably not a good practice. And definitely, I think you had said an agent was aware of it.
Yeah.
I would think from a marketability standpoint, I would get critter redders out there to relocate very safely for both the animal as well as the marketability of the home.
We want you to know we have a no-obligation booklet that will help you if you're thinking of selling your home, with hundreds of tips. If you'd like it, it's free, no obligation. Send me an email, bob@WeSellLouisville.com. Put selling tips in the subject line. I'll send it to you. And on the same thought, Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection, has a booklet that tells you about what to expect during a home inspection. That's free as well, no obligation. Send me an email, bob@WeSellLouisville.com, with the word inspection in the subject line, and I'll send you a copy of what Brad and his home team group have put together.